ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखया बृहदारण्य का उपनिषद। वो स्विच चालू करनी पड़ेगी आपको। चालू है क्या? ऐसे ही शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखया बृहदारण्य का उपनिषद मधु ब्राह्मणम यश्चायम अस्याम पृथिव्याम तेजोमय अमृतमय पुरुषः यश्चायम अध्यात्मम शारीरः तेजोमयो अमृतमय पुरुषः. So in this mantra, four things are given. Four things are madhu. Iyam prithvi sarvesham bhutanam madhu. One. Asyai prithvyai sarvani bhutani madhu. Two. Then asyam prithivyam tejomaya amritamaya purushaha. Three. He is also madhu. And yascha ayam adhyatmam sharirah tejomaya amritamaya purushaha is four. These four are madhu. Then ayameva saha means the adhishthanam, because all these four are paraspara upakari. Therefore, their adhishthanam is different from all four of them, is Brahma, is Atma. Which Atma? That same Atma which we talked earlier in Maitreyi Brahmana, in Ajatashatru Brahmana, etc. So, now you see in Bhashya we saw page number 628, last line in Bhashya. किंच यश्चायम पुरुषो अस्याम पृथिव्याम तेजोमयः चिन्मात्र प्रकाशमयो अमृतमयो अमरण धर्मा पुरुषः. This Purusha is where? Asyam Prithivya. In this Prithvi there is Tejomaya Amritamaya Purusha. And Yasya Ayam Adhyatmam. Next page. Shariraha Sharire Bhavaha Shariraha. Sharira means that which is in Sharira. Purvavat Tejomaya Amritamaya Purusha. This is Linga Abhimani. Such a Linga Abhimani. In Tika you see पुरुष शब्दस्य क्षेत्रज्ञ विषयत्वं वारयति. By Purusha, normally we think Chaitanya. Chaitanya means Kshetrajna. Kshetrajna Vishayatvam Varayati. This is not Kshetrajna. Kshetrajna means Sakshi Chaitanya. This is Linga Abhimani. Linga Abhimani means that which is Jiva. Any Abhimani is a Jiva. Tasya Prithvivan Madhutvam. And that is also Madhu. Just like Prithvi was Madhu, this Purusha is also Madhu. Madhu means Karyam. What is the sutra for Madhu? Unadi Sutra, somebody had said, हलिपाटी नमी मनी जनाम
गुप्पटी नाकिदश्च
गुप्पटिना खिदश्च खिदतश्च हलिपटी नमी मनी जनाम गुप्पटिना खिदतश्च. This is madhu shabda. Madhu means karya. So this is also karya. Linga abhimani purusha is also karya. The one who is adhyatma, and the one who is in prithvi, that prithvi devata is also karya, is also madhu. भाष्य सच सर्वेषां भूतानां उपकारकत्वेन मधु, and he is सर्वेषां भूतानां उपकारक, who is the upakaraka of all bhuta, उपकारकत्वेन मधु. सर्वाणि च भूतानि अस्य मधु, and all bhutas are madhu of this. So paraspara upakarya upakarakatva is there. How do you say cha shabda samarthyat? Cha shabda yascha ayam asyam, yascha ayam adhyatmam in this. So adhibhuta, adhideva, adhyatma, all of that is connected. They are all three are paraspara upakarya upakari. And the adhishthanam of that is different from all of them, is Brahma, is Atma. To hold on to this wisdom is so difficult, because for this I have to let go of aham from this. I am so and so, this aham, because both cannot be true. I am Brahma also and I am this person also, both are not valid. So I have to let go of this aham identity. Then only I am Brahma. So many other things we can go on working up to this point. Means I can memorize mantras, I can memorize shlokas, I can memorize sutras, I can memorize vyakhyanam, I can explain. But a point will come when I will have to let go of this identity. And you will struggle in the sense, because it is not easy. So real Advaita is only there. Up to that is all Dvaitam only. Shabda Vyavahara is going on, this, that, everything is within Avidya, and Avidya is very happy that this person is keeping himself busy doing this, that, and feels, oh, I have progressed. Earlier I knew so many words, now I know many more words. So then it is avijñāte pare tattve, like that. So that's why focus should always remain there, that one day I have to let go of this identity, and mentally I have to be ready, and I have to work for it, and nobody likes to let go of any idam, forget letting go of aham. So it is going to be really a challenge. I will not call it painful, because it is a great thing. The one who gives pain, to let go of that is a joy. But to understand that it is a joy and is not pain is different. Did you all understand what I said?
Yes, Swami.
Yes, Swamiji.
I hope yes. Now in Tika. ननु आद्यमेव मधुद्वयं श्रुतम् अश्रुतं तु मधुद्वयम् अशक्यं कल्पयितुम्. आद्यमेव मधुद्वयं श्रुतम्. First two are Madhu, Prithvi and Bhuta. That is easy. Ashrutam to Madhudvayam. The next two, they are Madhu. It is not said in the mantra. You started this. Ashrutam to Madhudvayam, Ashakyam Kalpayitum. We cannot do Kalpana of something which is not Shrutam. It is Ashruta Kalpana. Kalpayitum. Kalpaka Abhavat. Ata aha. There is no kalpaka. Means there is no reason to do this kalpana. We say cha shabda. Cha shabda samarthya. Prathama paryayartham upasamharati. Prathama paryaya means like how it is given for Prithvi, it will be given for Jala, Apaha, Teja, Vayu, so many paryayas. So they are all called paryaya. Each, for all of them, same mantras will just be repeated. So Prathama paryaya artha he concludes now. Concludes means more is going to be there, but just the mantra meaning he gives in Bhashya. Evam etat chatushtayam tavat ekam sarvabhuta karyam sarvani cha bhutani asya karyam. Etat chatushtayam is chatushtaya. So four are there now. What are the four? See in Tika. Prithvi सर्वाणि भूतानि पार्थिवः पुरुषः शारीरश्च इति चतुष्टयम् एकम मधु इति शेषः. If you want, you underline that part. पृथ्वी सर्वाणि भूतानि पार्थिव पुरुष and शारीरश्च इति चतुष्टयम् एकम मधु. Okay. Parthiva Purushaha means, see tippanis are there. 6 number. Sarvani Bhutani means Vapumshi. Parthiva Purusha means Parthiva Adheya Lingatma. Parthiva Purusha does not mean Sthula Sharira. Sthula Sharira is Prithvi only. Why separate mention? Because for a Parthiva, Purusha Shabda is there. Means Parthiva Adheya, that which is there in Prithvi, that Lingatma. And the other one is Adhyatma, that is Sharira Purusha. Sharire Bhava. So you all pay attention again, I will just clarify. One is Prithvi. Second is Sarvani Bhutani. Sarvani Bhutani means all living beings, not as a jiva. Okay. Even though what it means is Bhutani means jiva only, but here what is meant is their bhautika sharira. Then the Devata in Prithvi is the third one. And fourth is the Jiva in those Shariras. In other words, Samashti, Prithvi, Vyashti beings, Samudaya. Then Samashti, Prithvi, Devata, and then Jiva in all. All of them, they are Paraspara Upakari Upakari. Somebody does something. Why? Because after some time, somebody will be benefited by it or somebody will suffer because of it. Something. Not only in the same place, it can happen somewhere now because the world is so connected. One country will attack another country, your job will go, or you will get 3-4 jobs suddenly. Your prices will go up, prices will go down, anything can happen. Everything is connected. And everyone has like AI. Everything is AI. If somebody creates AI, chat GPT, आप कहोगे हमारा पता नहीं job is gone or something. Why? Because now it is easily it can be done by somebody or something. So this is all paraspara upakarya upakaraka or apakarya apakaraka, whichever way you want to say. So 4 you know how to count. These 4 are madhu means karya. In bhashya evam etat chatuштयम तावत एकम सर्वभूत कार्यम सर्वाणि च भूतानि अस्य कार्य. So they mutually support each other, complement each other. मधु शब्दार्थम आह सर्व इति. Madhu Shabdartha is gone. What is the question?
Swamiji, is it like Samashti Stula, Vyashti Stula, and Samashti Sukshma,
No,
Vyashti Sukshma?
I didn't use purposely Vyashti Shabda for a reason. Because if you say Vyashti, it will become only one. That's why what did I say? Vyashti Samudaya. Individuals collection. It is not one.
Yes.
Otherwise, you will say only one bhuta is upakarya upakari. But it is not like that. All are included. Madhu Shabdartham aha sarva. Sarva bhuta karya. Further in Tika. Asya iti prithivyadehe iti yavat. Asya भूतानि अस्य कार्यम. अस्य means पृथिव्यादेः कार्यम. परस्परम उपकार्य उपकारक भावे फलितमाह. So now, what is the final thing if upakarya upakaraka bhava I have understood? What is the phalam? Phalitamaha. Ato asyaika karana purvakata. Asya eka karana purvakata. They all have one karanam. Asya iti sarvam jagat uchyate. Of this entire jagat, there is one karanam. So what will be that karanam? That karanam will be different from these 4. At least this much we know. And Shruti says, this is the Atma. Which Atma? What he said earlier, Atmanastu kamaya sarvam priyam bhavati, Atma vare drashtavya. That Atma is this. Because we showed the Sangati between the previous Brahmana and this Brahmana. So what this Brahmana is doing is, wherever I feel that there is a Swarupa Siddhi, that is being completed here. Uktam cha yasmat paraspar upakarya upakaraka bhutam ityadi. Bhavatu anena nyayena madhuparyayeshu sarveshu karanopodesho brahmopadeshastu katham. Okay, anena nyayena madhuparyayeshu sarveshu, in all the madhuparyayas, karan upadesha we can accept. Where is Brahma? There is no mention of Brahma. Brahma upadeshastu katham. Iti ashankyaha in bhashya yasmat एकस्मात् कारणात् एतत् जातम तद एव एकम परमार्थतो ब्रह्म इतरत कार्यम वाचारंभणम विकारो नामधेयम ये नामधेय मात्रम इति एष मधुपर्यायाणां सर्वेषाम् अर्थः संक्षेपतः. If you see all the paryayas where it is said Prithvi, then Vayu, Prithvi, Jal, Tej, Vayu, Akash, and Surya, Chandra, these, that, so many things will be said. all their devatas, all other jivas, everything is paraspara upakarya upakari. Different from all of them has to be some karana. What will that be? That which is not vikari. That which does not have, because this upakarya upakaraka means there is modifications. It is subject to vikara. So this will not have that. Ekasmat karanat etat jatam. From this karana, everything else has come into being. Tad eva ekam. That is one. Paramarthataha Brahma. So now this buddhi, I should get that this eka karanam is me, and everything else Brahma itarat karyam vacharambhanam. Everything else is vacharambhanam. So that which is upakarya upakaraka is vacharambhanam. So if my sharira is upakarya upakaraka is vacharambhanam. This jiva who is expressing through this is vacharambhanam. Means it is not paramartha. Namadheya matram. This is the meaning of all madhuparyaya in brief. Sankshepatah sarvesham madhuparyayanam eshah artha. In Tika, Saprakrita Atma eva ayam Chaturdha ukto bheda iti yojana. This Prakrita Atma eva ayam. What is the Prakrita Atma? In 12 number Tippani, Maitreyi Brahmane Drashtavyatvadina Prakritaha. What was said? Atma Vare Drashtavya. That Atma, because in the mantra it is said, Sa eva ayam, Sa Atma eva ayam. This Atma. Chaturdha ukto bheda iti yojana. Now see mantra just one more time. On 629. What does it say? After Purushaha. It says Ayam eva saha. Ayam eva saha. This is that. Yo ayam atma. That which is this atma. This is sentence one. Means one thing you should remember is this. That adhishthanam of all this is this atma. Then idam amritam, idam brahma, idam sarvam. So now Bhagavan Bhashyakar explains each word. What is idam amritam, idam brahma, idam sarvam. The idam sarvam, we said idam sarvam is idam jnanam. Sarvam means sarva prapti or avapti sadhanam. Idam means idam brahma jnanam. Because there he said atma vare drashtavya, means you should get atma jnana. By this atma jnanam, what was the next line in that 245? Vijnanena what? Idam sarvam viditam syat, I think. Viditam. Idam sarvam viditam. So all this will become known. Known means you will attain it. In this way you should understand. So idam sarvam part means is Brahma Jnanam is sarva prapti sadhanam. Okay. Before that now is idam Brahma, idam amritam, idam Brahma. So now you see in Tika, in Bhashya. Ayam eva saha, yo ayam pratignyata. Where are we? 630. Fourth line from top. idam sarvam yadayam atma. So this idam sarvam yadayam atma, where was it said? 246. It's given in 4 number tippani. 246. That is this atma. Then idam amritam. Now what is this idam amritam? Yan maitreya amritatva sadhanam uktam. Maitreya means Maitreye. For Maitreyi, that Amritatva Sadhanam. Amritam means Amritatva Sadhanam. Idam is Amritatva Sadhanam. Uktam. What is the Amritatva Sadhanam? Atma Vijnanam. Tad Amritam. So Idam means what? Atma Vijnanam. Okay. Then next, Idam Brahma. In Bhashya I am reading. Idam Brahma. Idam Brahma. Yad Brahma te Brahmani Nyapayishyami. What is the Brahma? What is this Brahma? Brahma te Brahmani. Who said Brahma te Brahmani?
Ajatashatru.
Tripta Balaki. Brahma te Brahmani. So Brahma means that. Nyapayishyami. Nyapayishyami, who said? Ajatashatru.
Ajatashatru.
Iti adhyayadau prakritam. So by Brahma, that prakrita Brahma is what is indicated. Yad vishaya cha vidya Brahma vidya iti uchyate. Yad vishaya vidya Brahma vidya is called this Brahma. And then in Bhashya, let's complete that Bhashya. Idam sarvam yasmad brahmano vijnanat sarvam bhavati. Idam sarvam means yasmad brahmano vijnanat sarvam bhavati. Idam sarvam bhavati. Means idam sarvam praptam bhavati. In Tika, सह प्रकृतः आत्मा एव अयम चतुर्धा उक्तो भेद इति योजना. प्रकृत आत्मा एव अयम चतुर्धा उक्तः. इदम इति चतुष्टय कल्पना अधिष्ठान विषयम ज्ञानम परामर्शति. By this idam, चतुष्टय कल्पना अधिष्ठान विषयम. चतुष्टय कल्पना अधिष्ठान विषयम means this पृथ्वी, भूत, Purusha means Parthiva Purusha and then Sharira. Idam iti Chatushta Kalpana Adhisthana Vishayam Jnanam Paramrashati. So by Idam Chatushta Adhisthana Kalpana Adhisthana Vishayam Jnanam. Idam Brahma iti atra Chatushta Adhishthanam Idam Shabdartha. In Idam Brahma, Idam means Chatushtaya Adhishthanam Idam Shabdartha. The Adhishthanam of this fourfold Kalpana. Tritiye cha tasya prakritatvam darshayati. Yad vishaya cha vidya. So that ayam eva saha, yo ayam atma, that ayam, you can use it as, what is the pratipadika for this ayam? What is the pratipadika for ayam? Idam. Idam shabda in pullinga will become ayam. Apumsakalinga idam and strilinga iyam. So when he says tritiye cha tasya prakrtatvam, so you have to count third one. So first idam is, which is referred as ayam. Then idam amritam, so that is second idam. Then idam brahma is third. And then idam sarvam is fourth. So tritiya cha tasya prakrtatvam, in idam brahma is the third one. Right? Right? Which is the prakritam brahma, whose vidya is called brahma vidya. Then idam sarvam is the fourth one. Iti atra brahma jnanam idam iti uktam. That is the jnanam. Idam jnanam. Sarvam means sarva apti. Sarvapti sadhanam. See, when it is said brahmano vijnanat sarvam bhavati. Sarvam bhavati means sarva prapti bhavati, because brahma jnana means sarva apti sadhana. You will attain everything. Tadeva spashtayati yasmat brahmano vijnanat sarvam bhavati. So the mantra, bhashya and tika all are over. And main emphasis is for us. I did Shravanam, right? We saw Shravanam is this Atmavare Drashtavya and all the Drashtantas. Mananam. And then this has to become Nididhyasanam. Prapancha Mata said this is Nididhyasana part. Ashakar said we don't have to separate this, because once you do Mananam thoroughly, Nididhyasanam will keep happening. Right? That's how Ashakar explained. तस्मात् पृथक प्रकरण विभागो अनर्थक इति अस्मद् अभिप्रायः श्रवण मदन निध्यासनानाम् इति. Okay. Now, next one is इमा आपः सर्वेषां भूतानां मधु आसाम अपाम सर्वाणि भूतानि मधु यश्चायम् आप्सु अप्सु तेजोमयो अमृतमयः पुरुषो यश्चायमध्यात्मं रैतसस्तेजोमयो अमृतमयः पुरुषो वयमेव स योऽयम् आत्मा इदम् अमृतम् idam brahma idam sarvam. This is same, instead of prithvi it is apaha, because apaha is striling, therefore, and bahuvachanam. So earlier it was iyam prithvi, now it is imaha apaha. So jal is madhu for all beings, sarvesham bhutanam karyam. So if there are people who are not of good prarabdha in that area, there will not be any water. April, May, they will be fighting with other states for water, and still they will not get any. Why? Sarvesham bhutanam madhu they did not do properly for apaha. They might have done for prithvi, etc. Asam apam sarvani bhutani madhu, and all the beings are karya of this jal. Everything else is same. Bhashya tika, one line. Tika you see. The first bhashya. Okay, tika first. Yatha prithvi madhutvena vyakhyata tatha apo api vyakhyaya ityaha. Just as prithvi vyakhya is done as madhu, apa is also should be explained. Tatha apaha. रैतस इति विशेषणस्य अर्थमाह. व्हाट इज रैतस? अध्यात्मम. अध्यात्मम रेतसी अपाम विशेषत्व अवस्था. Water is everywhere in our body, but what is the vishesha in the body? In retas. So retasi apam is raitasa shabda. Visheshata avasthan. How do you say this? Apo reto bhutva shishnam pravishan iti hi shrutyantaram. I think this is Prashna Upanishad Shruti. Apo reto bhutva shishnam pravishan. Next. अयम अग्नि ही सर्वेषां भूतानां मध्वस्याग्नेः सर्वाणि भूतानि मधु यश्चायमस्मिन् अग्नौ तेजोमयो अमृतमय पुरुषो यश्चायमध्यात्मं वाङ्मयस्तेजोमयो अमृतमय पुरुषो अयमेव सः योऽयम् आत्मा इदम् अमृतम् इदं ब्रह्म इदं सर्वम्. Everything same for Agni. Tika. Prithivyaam apsu cha uktam nyayam agnavati dishati. Same nyaya is extended in Agni. This is called atidesha. What was said in Prithvi, what was said in Apsu is now in Agni. Tatha Agnihi. Vangmaya iti asya arthamaha vachi agner visheshato avasthanam. In our sharira, Agni is everywhere. Any part becomes cold, then immediately body has to vomit. But the Vak Indriya is where Vishesha Sthanam is there for Agni. Agnir Visheshato Avasthanam. So now let's see the second one. Ima Apaha.
Swamiji, last line Tritiye cha tasya. For that word, 14 number Tippani is given Upanishadi Prathama Adhyaya. Swamiji was explaining different meaning.
Which one?
Last line of Tika, Tritiye cha tasya prakritatvam darshayati. 630 page number, last line.
तृतीये च तस्य प्रकृतत्वं दर्शयति यद विषया च विद्या. So yad vishaya cha vidya, tritiya means if you take first chapter, so you should take as atmetyoupasita, that one. Brahma vidya you have to take. But in the Bhashya, Bhagavan Bhashyakara has given which one? Idam Brahma, yad brahmate bravani. Yad brahmate bravani came from Dvitiya Adhyaya, not Prathama Adhyaya. Then Jnapayishyami also came from this
Dvitiya.
Adhyaya only. That's why it said Adhyayadav Prakritam. But Anand Giriji said Tritiye cha tasya prakritatvam darshayati. So then Tippanikar gave Prathama Adhyaya of the Upanishad. But in both the Adhyayas, Prakarana is same of Brahma alone. So first mantra, Bhashya, everything is complete. Tika over. Everything all okay? Online students?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swami.
Now, next one. इमा आपः सर्वेषां भूतानां मधु आसाम अपाम सर्वाणि भूतानि मधु यश्चायम् आसु अप्सु तेजोमयो अमृतमयः पुरुषो यश्चायम् अध्यात्मं रैतसस् तेजोमयो अमृतमयः पुरुषो अयमेव स योऽयम् आत्मा इदम् अमृतम् इदं ब्रह्म इदं सर्वम्. This is the second one. Everything same except for the apa, because apa is nitya bahuvachana. टीका यथा पृथ्वी मधुत्वेन व्याख्याता तथा आपो अपि व्याख्येया इत्याह. Just as you did व्याख्या of पृथ्वी as madhu, Jalam also should be explained in the same way. So Bhashya says Tatha Apah. Raitasa iti visheshanasya arthamaha adhyatmam. Adhyatmam retasi apam visheshato avasthanam. In the retas, apa visheshata, it is staying there. In the adhyatma, that is its sthanam. Because there is a shruti, apo reto bhutva shishnam pravishan iti hi shrutyantaram. This is the Prashnopanishad shruti, I think. Okay, up to here we keep. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritav Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।